Hi guys, I'm Dr. Rajat और मेरे साथ हैं इस समय Dr. Kiwi and Dr. Limshi. They both are from Nagaland and they have just concluded their rotary and endodontics training for a month. So, how's your experience, during the whole course, and what do you have to say?
It was good, and then we have built up so much confidence in us, and then we are ready to look forward, and then we're even looking forward in the future to again
apply the same in practice. Okay,
yeah.
Working with different techniques. Do you think rotary endodontics that you learned in college and the clinical expertise now, the techniques have changed, techniques have evolved?
Yes, very much.
So, learning about different techniques, working on patients and working on different files, do you think rotary endo has become more advanced and more easy, ready to use?
Yes, very much.
Like, what all concept did you learn in college, and now when you are, working on different systems, like you worked on different tapers, Pro Taper Gold, D1, D2, D3, is it difficult for you to work?
No. Now I'm very much confident and I'm ready to put in my practice.
Different piezo surgeries on it, you have worked with loops and at the same time with different techniques in rotary endodontics. So are you confident to apply the same in your practice?
Very much, sir.
So Kiwi, all the best, and I look forward to see your practice shining, your concepts, your patients, and I'm very, very confident that you are going to be applying the same thing what you have learned here.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Looking forward in the future too, sir.
Thank you.